Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to convert USDT, also known as Tether, back to US dollars so that you could withdraw your money or reinvest in other cryptocurrencies using the US dollar. Okay, so as you can see right there, I have $15 worth of USDT, also known as Tether, and I only have $105 worth of US dollars. So at this point, I'm going to convert USDT back to US dollars. So by the end of this, you should see that I have a balance of $120 in USD. So I'm going to click on the markets tab. Along the very bottom, you'll see multiple options. One will be that bar graph. You can see it's highlighted there. Okay, from here at the top, you'll see multiple options. We're going to go under USDS. Actually, for this section, you could actually go under USD or USDS. It doesn't really matter. So we're just going to click on that magnifying glass at the top right. And we're going to search for USDT. And as you can see there, USDT/US dollars. We're going to click there. Okay, so keep in mind this process, I'm converting USDT back to US dollars. So instead of buy here, we're going to hit sell. Okay, so right there under the amount section, you see that I currently have available like $15 worth of USDT. So here is where I'm going to type in the amount I want to convert over. In this case, I'm going to convert 100% of my holdings in USDT back to US dollars. So I clicked on that 100% button, and now I'm going to click on place sell order. And right there, my order has been fulfilled. And I'm going to hit X and show you guys that I now have about I have $121 worth of USD. That's how much I have as of right now. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button.